The sides of a triangle are 8 centimeters, 10 centimeters, and 14 centimeters. Determine the radius of the circumscribing circle. Okay, so pause the video and try to answer first before watching my solution. Okay, so let's start. Let us draw the figure. So the sides of a triangle, so given the sides, determine the radius of the circumscribing circle. That means the triangle is inside the circle. Okay, so this will be the figure for that. So this triangle with sides 8, 10, and 14 is inside the circle. We want to find the radius of the circumscribing circle. Okay? So let's label the parts of the triangle. So this part, let 8 centimeters. So this will be the 8 centimeters. A equals 8 centimeters. B B is equal to 10 centimeters. And then this part, C is equal to 14 centimeters. We want to find the radius of the circumscribing circle. So this is the center of the circle. We want to find the radius. So this will be the R. Okay, so we will use the formula to find the radius. So the formula is A is equal to ABC over 4R. Okay, so A is the area of the triangle. ABC, the sides of the triangle, and then R is the radius. So we will use the Heron's formula to solve the area of the triangle. So the formula for area is equal to square root of S times S minus A times S minus B times S minus C, where S is the semi-perimeter. S is the semi-perimeter of the triangle. So we have A plus B plus C divided by 2. Okay, so let's solve first the semi-perimeter. Substitute the values of the A, B, and C. Those are the sides of the triangle. So we have 8 plus 10 plus 14 divided by 2. So if we evaluate this, 8 plus 10, 18 plus 14, that is 32 divided by 2. So the semi-perimeter is equal to 16 centimeters. Okay? So that we can solve the area. So substitute the values of S and ABC to this formula. So we have area is equal to, so we have square root of 16 times 16 minus 8 times 16 minus 10 times 16 minus 14. So we have A is equal to square root of 16 times 8, 16 minus 10. That will be 16 minus 8 is 8. And then 16 minus 10, we have 6. And then 16 minus 14, we have 2. Okay, so let's just use our calculator to solve the area. So we have 16 times 8 times 6 times 2. So press equal sign, and then we get the square root. So its square root of this is 39.19. So we round off to 2 decimal places. So we have 39.19 square centimeters. Okay? So now, just substitute to this formula. Area is equal to ABC over 4R. So we want to find the value of R. So let us derive the formula for R. Okay, so we can cross multiply. Multiply this. So we have 4RA equals ABC. And then to solve for R, divide both sides by 4A. Okay. So cancel the 4, cancel the A. Therefore, the value of R is ABC over 4A. So just substitute the given. ABC, we have 8, 10, and 14. So we have 8 times 10 times 14 all over 4 times the value of A is 39.19. Okay, so just use our calculator. Okay, so we have 8 times 10 times 14 equals, and then divided by, let's put parentheses, 4 times 39.19, close parentheses, and then press equal sign. We have 7.14. 144. Round off to two decimal places. We have 7.14, and that is letter A. So the radius is 7.14 centimeters, letter A. So that's all. So thank you for watching. I hope you learned something from this video, and don't forget to subscribe. So see me on my next video about engineering mathematics. Bye-bye.